Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am gonna talk about or show you guys tutorial about multiple hairstyles. Yeah, I am growing my hair, so I thought about a hairstyle tutorial since guys need hairstyles to impress girls. So yeah, and also in Japanese, hair means the little word here. It translates like Kami, and Kami also means God. So I don't know where that come from. So yeah, let's do it. And here's right. This it look like Itachi or Sasuke, I guess, because Sasuke, in Boruto arc, Sasuke has hairstyle like this. So yeah, and if I flip it this way, I don't know whose fucking hairstyle is this, but it's kind of look cool. One hair dropping this way and another hair dropping like this. And also, if you wanna become a hentai protagonist, you can bow down all over here and look like a Japanese anime motherfucker. Long hair male looks cool. If you don't find it cool, you are a fucking baldy like Saitama. So